You're watching the AI Report. We have a great show today. Let's get into it. For the first time ever, an AI-powered drone beats human champions in a real-world sport. That is, if you can call drone racing a real-world sport. Guys, before we move on to figuring out what to do with this whole AI mess, we should clean up some important issues from the past. In this case, it's calling nerdy activities like this a sport. Look, I love nerds, and I consider myself the nerd's public defender every now and then, but drone racing is not a sport. Video games are not a sport. Chess is not a sport. I'm not even sure golf is a sport. And that thing when they unleash a cylindrical object on an ice track and two people mop in front of it really quickly, whatever that is, that's definitely not a sport. A sport is an activity for cool, handsome, often not too smart individuals with great body coordination. Calling drone racing a sport is just us nerds finding ways to cope. Anyway, the Swift AI developed by researchers at the University of Zurich defeated 3 drone racing champions. Okay, I guess the US Air Force will soon recruit this drone. Next, Walmart is coming up with its own AI for employees. Nicknamed My Assistant, the feature will help non-store employees with summarizing documents and the creation of new content. Walmart didn't share which model they're using in the background. I'm guessing they're fine-tuning ChatGPT. This might be a solid opportunity. A lot of companies that are not at the scale of Walmart will want their own private AIs, but won't immediately know how to do all the fine-tuning required. And I give you all you need to know about fine-tuning an AI model in the video that should be appearing at the top right now. Next, the US seems to like banning the export of AI chips to countries. Besides China, now a few other undisclosed countries from the Middle East, Iran probably, can't buy Nvidia chips. I guess it pays to play ball with the biggest tech force in the world if you want to access cutting-edge technology. And while we're at countries where Nvidia chips are banned, Chinese companies Baidu and ByteDance launched their own chatbots. Baidu's chatbot is named Ernie. It was previously available to a limited testing group and now is publicly available. The founder says that Baidu will collect massive, valuable, real-world human feedback to improve the chatbot. Yeah, I'm not sure how much people in China care about privacy, and even if they do, they probably can't do much about it. I'm pretty sure they don't even bother with the terms and conditions checkbox over there. ByteDance, which is the parent company of TikTok, launched their own chatbot named Doubao. And SenseTime, which is a surveillance group, also launched their chatbot. Wow, chatbot by a surveillance group. I guess the Chinese really don't care. And finally, speaking of bad ideas, energy drink company Hell launches Hell AI, their new drink developed, designed, and tasted entirely by AI. They trained an AI on data about ingredients, sales, health, and consumer feedback. The AI was instructed to optimize the drink for taste, regulations, and nutritional value, which I didn't realize energy drinks even had. The AI threw in some vitamins, amino acids, and herbs to make the drink better. Okay, I guess it's trying at the least. Then the AI suggested 3 flavors that would drive teenagers insane and get them hooked the most. Well, I guess this is how the fall of humanity starts. A beverage company named Hell uses AI to sell the energy drink equivalent of methamphetamine. I guess if we're going to hell, at least we can have a sugary drink on our way there, and that's the way it is. That was the AI Report. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more brutal AI news. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.